just like that. Hi， 我叫 Alex， 我是美食专业医生。今天在我旁边是 Viet。
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Welcome. How are you doing today?
Good.
Well, not 100%.
Well, not 100% good. I'm morally good,
Yeah.
but my neck is a little bit stiff, let's say.
Okay.
Yeah.
So obviously Viet works a lot in office, so
Yeah.
Has the classic computer
Desk
neck
position,
basically.
yes.
So obviously 我们刚刚做完身体检查，所以我们可以开始治疗。来吧。You weren't kidding, huh?
No.
This is pretty tight. Are you prone to headaches? Are you prone to headaches?
Yeah. Well, usually when...
Non-alcohol related headaches. I mean.
No. Just when I forget to drink and
Yeah. Okay.
I'm too focused and yeah.
So it's a little bit of restriction here in this midback. And let's check here. There's a little bit of a leg length imbalance here. Your right leg is a little bit longer.
Okay, what does it mean?
So that means that you probably have an issue here in the pelvis as well that we're gonna correct. Exactly. So this can be quite painful. I'm joking.
Oh my goodness,
That's a fun song. Not too bad, right?
No, it's okay.
Yeah. It's okay?
Yeah.
Good. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Good. Very good.
Oh wow.
Oh wow.
That was quite a crack.
Yeah, that was pretty loud. You good? Yeah. Wasn't too bad, right?
No.
Nothing to be scared about, right?
Nothing.
No. Okay. And breathe out. Good. Relax. Very good. Still alive?
I think this is the first time that somebody's cracking my spine, so that's why the sound is...
Yeah. Oh, and especially this midback area, because office workers typically sit a lot like arms forward, slightly hunchback, right? So it just has a tendency to really become super tight here. So take a deep breath in and breathe out. Good, all the way up. Perfect.
Okay, breathe in. Huh?
All right, yep, breathe in and breathe out. Good. Very good. Okay. And relax. Good. Very good. Next out. You spend a lot of time on your phone as well, Viet? You spend a lot of time on your phone as well?
Yes.
Yeah.
How do you know?
Well, because I see your neck. I feel your muscles here.
Yeah.
Because obviously the more we lean the head forward, the more pressure, and the more these muscles have to work, right? So over time, it's when you get the tightness, soreness,
For sure.
headaches.
Need to get rid of the phone.
Yeah. Hold it a little bit higher anyway.
Yeah. Oh, this is so nice.
Yeah, this area is pretty tight.
Oh my god. It's painful.
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, my aim is not that you leave in a wheelchair today, so if I'm too strong here, let me know. Okay?
Yeah.
Good.
I mean, it's bearable, but painful at the same
Yeah.
time. I think I'm just so stiff there.
Yeah. Just take a deep breath in and big breath out. Good. Very good.
I'm shocked.
You good?
I'm good from the sound.
Right. And out. Good. Very good.
That microphone of yours is gonna, like, you know. It's gonna be so loud.
Let's have you lie face down, please. Look. Så lying in the middle. Ut så. And ut så. So maybe a little bit, but chop och då igen. Pretty much the same. Good.
That's good.
Yeah, that's good. Ni junbei hao dabao jalama. Are you ready for the big bang?
What is the big bang?
You'll see.
Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, good. Let's go.
I'm scared. It's supposed to be, you know, comforting.
No, not really.
Okay.
Good. Fine.
Oh my god. Okay.
Teeth together.
Mm-hmm.
And then breathe through your nose. One more time, breathe in. And breathe out. Good. Just like that.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
I am okay.
You
Okay.
probably felt that one, no?
I felt that one,
Yeah.
like the strap there.
Yeah.
I did gain a few centimeters
Yeah,
there.
said-
I'm pretty sure.
160, welcome.
160. Ooh.
But it wasn't so bad, right?
It wasn't
No,
so bad.
so relax, relax, relax.
Okay.
So just take a deep breath in. And breathe out. Good.
The sound. My neck. Oh my god. That was the last time I did this ever. That's why. Okay. 1 second. I need to breathe in again. The sound is terrifying. Okay.
You good?
Yeah.
You breathe.
That shows how badly I need this.
Yeah, you're
Again?
good. No. We're good. So I'm just relaxing these muscles a little bit as well.
Okay. Oh my god.
Wasn't so bad, right?
It wasn't just
No.
the sound.
Yeah. Oh, scary part's over now. Push it back. Holla,
Yay!
you're alive. I
No,
hope.
really, like my head is like, it's super smooth.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? How's the tension?
Gone.
Gone?
Yeah. Like usually when I used to do this, I would feel like, you know, like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, that's nice. Ooh.
Yeah, so hopefully...
I really like a loose head.
So yeah, awesome. Well, thank you very much for
Thank you.
coming in today. Hopefully, as I said, it wasn't too traumatic. 我跟Viet 在 ChiroCare 开了康，下次见，再见，拜拜。
Bye.